Hello everyone, today I'm going to try to restore a completely wrecked Nissan Skyline GT-R 34 after my crash test. Back then, it seemed to me that saving it would be impossible. The body was smashed, the hood was crumpled, the door was damaged, and there were broken parts almost all over the car. In this video, I'll show the complete restoration process step by step, from disassembly and body repair to painting and final assembly. We'll try to restore this Skyline to perfect condition and see if we can make it look like new again. There will be a lot of challenges and painstaking work ahead, including restoring the body geometry, repairing damaged parts, sanding, painting, and fully assembling the car. And the most interesting part is that at the end, we'll compare the result with the condition this model was in originally. So make yourself comfortable, and we're starting the full restoration of this Nissan Skyline GT-R, subtitles by Dima Torzo. This is how the Nissan Skyline GT-R 34 turned out after the full restoration. To be honest, at first it was hard to believe that this model could even be saved. It had too much damage. The body, doors, hood, roof, rear end, almost the entire car needed repairs. But step by step, we managed to fully restore its appearance and give the model a neat, cohesive look again. As a result, this wrecked Skyline now looks like a proper JDM car again, not just a pile of broken parts. What I like most is seeing the final result after all the work we've done, especially compared to how it looked at the start of the video, and now it will be kept in my small collection. Be sure to write in the comments what you think about the final result and whether I should keep doing projects like this. And of course, let me know which car you would like to see in the next restoration. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to do even higher quality and larger restorations. Thank you all for watching and see you in future videos.